Sound alarm when code finishes. I am in a situation where my code takes extremely long to run and I don't want to be staring at it all the time but want to know when it is done. How can I make the Python code sort of sound an alarm when it is done? I was contemplating making it play a WAV file when it reaches the end of the code. Is this even a feasible idea? If so, how could I do it?
On Windows, where freq is the frequency in HC and the duration is in milliseconds. On Linux and Mac, in order to use this example, you must install socks. On Debian, Ubuntu, Linux Mint, run this in your terminal. On Mac, run this in your terminal, using the ports. Speech on Mac. Speech on Linux. You need to install the speech dispatcher package in Ubuntu, or the corresponding package on other distributions.
Plays the bell sound on Linux. Plays the error sound on Windows 10.
This one seems to work on both Windows and Linux, from this question. In Windows, can put at the end, where 500 is the frequency in Hz and 1000 is the duration in milliseconds. To work on Linux, you may need to do the following, from QO's comment. In a terminal, run cd/etc/modprobe.d, then sudo gedit blacklist.conference to edit /etc/modprobe.d/blacklist.conference as root. Comment out the line that says blacklist pcspkr, then reboot. Also check that the terminal preferences has the terminal bell option checked.
I'm assuming you want the standard system bell, and don't want to concern yourself with frequencies and durations etc., you just want the standard Windows bell.